welcome guys back to more commentary. My neighbor's being so fucking loud right now. I don't know what's up with that. I keep hearing drilling noises. I don't know if OBS is gonna get this, but yeah. Anyway, back to some PvP. Stab. Oh, this guy's bad. Oh, he's already at 6 hearts. Bam. Stab. I'm just gonna peek crit him. Come on. Hit me. Come on, hit me. Hit me. Hit me, hit me. Come on. Yes. Bam. He's dead. As the drilling stopped, I wouldn't know. I'm wearing headphones right now. I don't. They've been drilling for like 2 hours or something, and I'm genuinely so sick of it. I would file a complaint, but I'm lazy and I don't know how to do that. Oh, my ping! I had like 300 ping. How do I win? I'm at 240 240. Yeah, 240. And I still win. He sucks. I was at 800 ping. I just saw that. Anyway, as you guys have probably noticed, I've been doing more sword PvP commentary. Oh god, how am I supposed to fight? Oh, actually. Hold on. Oh, never mind. I can fight pretty well. Never mind. My aim. Oh, my aim is so bad. Oh god. What is this knockback? Fighting at 200 ping is such a pain. Anyway, I've been practicing more sword PvP. Oh, he's lagging so much. How am I supposed to fight? Actually, I'm kind of winning. Alright, never mind, I can win. Anyway, as I was saying, more sword PvP today. I've been trying to get good. Oh, I duplicated the diamond sword. How did I do that? Playing on high ping is just like... They can hit me from like 5 blocks away. Like, what kind of scam is this? They don't even take knockback. Oh, they do. And that's a squish on my end. Oh, I'm out of the house league. This guy sucks. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come down here. Epic keyboard clattering sounds. I mean, I have a major house league, so I think I can just trade crits and BAM! Stab. Whenever I play at 200 ping, everyone just hits me from 2 miles away. They hit me from the other side of the planet. Come on. Thank you. Come on, jump. Yes. Come on, jump. Jump, jump. Come on. What if I just run at him? How does that work? How does that work? Stab him. I'm gonna punch him to death. Yes. Get beaten up. He's hitting me from 2 miles away. He's hitting me from the other. He's hitting me across the multiverse. What am I supposed to do? I love 200 ping. People from PvP Club are just objectively better than people from PvP Legacy. Either that or I just suck when I play PvP Club for some reason. Bam! Die. I mean, then again, in PvP Legacy, I do play kits with like heals. Maybe that's it. I just technically suck. I just know how to heal. What kind of knockback was that? Nah, I hit him and he came to me. What was that? I can't aim. I can't aim. No. I gotta lock in. Alright. Come on, jump. Jump. Yes, thank you. Yes. Oh, imagine if I lost that. Imagine. PvP Club really just lets me like improve on technical skill like comboing and spacing, which I like. I have a health league. I'm not. What is that knockback? I hit people and they jump towards me. Bam! Let's get stabbed. I love 200 ping. It's great. I love the fact that everyone mentions it. Why did it get so good? Look at my dog shit aim. Bam, I'm dead. Dead. If I spam my offhand key, it confuses them. Where is he? What? Why is he taking no knockback? Die. Why is the knockback the other way? How is he jumping towards me when I hit him? Come on, jump. Jump. You come. Lucky. Skill issue. What's he gonna say? It's gonna... Skill issue. If you can't beat someone, don't make a comment. Imagine if I lose this though. He's one tap away. Come on. No armor. Alright, come on. Come on. Come on. Jump. Make the jump. Come on, make the jump. Make the jump. You got nowhere to run. You're also lagging. You have no say in what's lagging and what's not. You're teleporting all over the place. Massive skill issue. The perk of cyberbullying. It's amazing. Do not play if you're playing on ping. Please stop him. I'm gonna beat him to death with a sword. No, with my fists. Die! Yeah! Yeah, run. What are you gonna... Your ping. Why does everyone mention my ping? No. I mean, you didn't even stabbing people at 200 ping, everyone. Stabbing people at 200 ping. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Leave a like and subscribe. Oh, this guy's punching me, okay. Leave a like and subscribe. I know my outro place has changed, but like I'm trying to find a new place to do an outro. PvP Legacy had this big ass sign. PvP Club doesn't have that. Leave a like and subscribe.